Welcome to the project demonstration on LoRa-based wind turbine monitoring system. Let us start our discussion from abstract. We are all know that in our everyday life we are all depending on electric energy for various purposes. From household to industrial purposes, we need electrical energy. Then where do we get this electrical energy? For that purpose, we have concept called power plants. In India, we have power plants like hydropower plants, wind power plants, solar power plants, and atomic power plants. These power plants are responsible for generating electrical energy and supply them for various purposes. Our proposed project deals with wind power plants. What is wind? A speedy air is called wind. Therefore, usually wind power plants are mounted on top of the mountain to take the advantage of winds. Because on top of the mountain we get winds, and so that the system works or performs better when they are situated on top of the mountain. These wind turbines have concept called blades. These blades collects the wind kinetic energy. These blades, when wind passes over the blades, which causes movement of the blades. When wind passes over the blades, which causes blades to turn, that it will start rotating. The blades internally connected to the drive shaft of the generator. When blades turn, which causes movement in the electric generator, which produces the electricity. The concept is simple. When wind flows over the blades, it starts rotating, which in turn turns the drive shaft which is connected to the generator. This movement in the generator causes the produces the electricity. Hence, monitoring the parameters of the wind turbine system is very much important so that we can monitor the health of the whole working system. What kind of parameters we supposed to monitor? The parameters like temperature, humidity, voltage, current, etc. They play a very important role. In the present system, to collect these parameters, they are using optical fiber cables. These optical fiber cables have some limitations. To overcome from those limitations, we are proposing a wireless communication protocol called LoRa. So in the proposed project, we are replacing the existing optical fiber cables with a LoRa communication protocol. Therefore, this project is an attempt to use the IoT as well as wireless sensor network concept with respect to wind power plant. Okay, let us discuss the problem statement. In the proposed project, we are supposed to monitor the various parameters of the wind turbine. The generator part of the turbine has great impact on output voltage. Hence, various factors affecting its working must be monitored to take proper action. What are the factors which affects, like the temperature, humidity, and many more things plays vital role in the functioning of the wind turbine system. As I said before, OFC cable in the present system, they are used to collect these parameters, and this way this OFC cable has to have the resistance for the permanent bending. Since it is a plastic material which is mounted on or which is deployed with the system, so it has to resist the bendings. Since the turbine system continuously rotates, it has to withstand the bending movements also. Since they are present on the hilly stations or mountain, there will be a sunlight. They should be resistant with the sunlight also. These OFC cables have various limitations or they have maintenance work. When it comes to OFC cable, we need some advanced concept to repair them, to monitor them, to couple them. So we have identified these limitations of OFC cables with respect to wind turbine system, and hence we are proposing a new concept. Therefore, the conclusion of problem statement is usage of OFC in a wind turbine system has many more limitations. Like it has to resist the bending and it has to resist the sunlight, and for some reasons if it breaks its maintenance costs more. Hence we are proposing a wireless communication protocol. Okay, so what are the objective of the proposed system? We are aimed to develop an economical and reliable wireless communication system which helps the concerned authorities of the wind power plant to monitor the various parameters easily. Here, the base station and remote sensing section which are interconnected with the help of a wireless communication media such as LoRa. So it is also aimed to develop a system which works independently. Here we are not depending on any third-party technology. Since it is an open frequency band, LoRa chips, they generate radio frequency waves, and these radio frequency waves, with the help of these waves, we can send information packets securely. Even we can provide encryption technique also. Therefore, our objective is to provide an easy to maintain, economical, manageable facility to collect and monitor the various parameters of the wind turbine. The literature survey. We have gone through various research papers, and these are all the papers we have referred to get the insight. Let us discuss the methodology. In the block diagram, we can see various sensors like a DHT11 sensor, current sensor, voltage sensor being interfaced with the wind turbine system. The DHT11 sensor helps to fetch temperature and humidity. With the help of current and voltage sensor, we can collect the current and voltage. These sensors are interfaced with the LoRa transmitter. The LoRa transmitter section includes a LoRa chip interfaced with the ESP32 development board. We cannot directly program LoRa chips directly, hence it is interfaced with the ESP32 development board. Transmitter collects all the information from the sensors and sends through LoRa packets to a LoRa receiver. The receiver might be located at far-flung place. This receiver, after receiving information packets, it decodes them and sends all these information packets to a remote server. What is server? Server is a software or a program which runs 24/7. So the server side scripts receives all these parameters and stores those information into a database. Once the information is stored in a database, we can display them through a dashboard. We can provide a good visualization facility through dashboard so that it helps them to analyze the health of the turbine system, and also they can take important decisions with respect to the turbine system, wind turbine system. So this is what our methodology. Let us concentrate on hardware requirements. To develop this project, we need a development environment with i3 processor, 4 GB RAM and 500 GB hard disk. These three things are with respect to our development environment or our personal computer. And we need sensors like DHT11 sensor, current and voltage sensors. We need LoRa modules with 433 MHz, LoRa chips with antenna we need. And to interface these modules, we need ESP32 development board. What is ESP32? It is a development board, or it is also known as a Wi-Fi module, which operates at 5 voltage. It has general purpose input output pins. It has a dual core processor. It has built-in Wi-Fi module and Bluetooth module, and operates at a low voltage. It is manufactured by Espressif company. And we need a DC motor to simulate the rotor shaft. And we need breadboard for connection purpose, and we need jumper wires as a connectors. And motor is interfaced with a plastic fan. When we rotate the fan, it turns the shaft which generates the voltage. Let us pay attention to software requirements. To develop the dashboard, we need one front-end framework. We are using Bootstrap as the front-end framework. To store all the information packets, we need one backend. We are using MySQL as our backend. To develop the programs, the knowledge of programming language is required. We are using PHP as a server-side scripting language. To program the hardwares, we are using Arduino. So, when it comes to operating system, Windows 10 or any compatible is okay. We need Notepad++ editor to type our PHP scripts, and to develop the sketch and upload it to server, we need Arduino IDE. This is all about software requirements. Let us focus on applications. The proposed project finds useful and at wind power plant. Using this concept, the various parameters of the wind turbine could be fetched using sensors, and they could be transmitted using LoRa communication technology. LoRa stands for long range low power. This LoRa consumes low power and supports the long range. The chip what we are planning to use works up to 1 kilometer. It is 433 megahertz chip. The parameters received at the base station will be populated with a centralized database. What is database? Information storing platform. And this stored information is displayed through a dashboard. The authorities who are supposed to monitor the wind turbine system, they can easily view the various parameters generated with the help of a dashboard, and it helps them to take proper decisions. So this proposed project is an IoT and WSN based concept which is very useful at wind power plants. So these are all the various papers we have referred before taking this project.